Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketers for beginners, part 4. Part 4. So I'm so glad you've been following the series. I'm so excited about part 4 actually. But if this is your first time coming to this channel or this video, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get videos and be notified like videos just like this. Now you know what time it is. You know who this is. It is time to get to part 4 of the affiliate marketing for beginner. If you're just beginning affiliate marketing, part 4 of things that you can do and what you need to know. Now let's recap. Now, part 4, we talk about that one simple strategy, and it's basically a mentor and coach, and work on your mindset. That's the simple strategy that we talked about part 1. Part 2, we talked about finding the right system that you can become successful and become profitable by right system, things you need to look for when selecting the right online business system, because there's a lot out there. And number 3, part 3, we talked about traffic and leads, best traffic sources you can get, finding the right traffic source that fits you, and then invest in the training in that specific traffic. So if it's email marketing, if it's video, if it's solo ads, invest in that type of traffic for somebody who's been successful doing it. Now, part 4 is going to be all about, when you get all those things together, it's about following up. What platform are you using to follow up with your business leads on an everyday basis? Now, there's video you can do video marketing of talking to your leads and your prospects, and just following up with them. You can do a lot of video marketing by doing videos, inspirational videos, motivational videos, mindset videos, and training videos. You can do videos about helping them out. And so another thing, obviously, you can do email marketing. All you need is a good autoresponder. There's a lot of good ones out there like Active Campaign, Aweber, Conversion Pros, Get Response. There's a couple of ones that I have and that's out there actually. So you can use one of those 4 or a different one to go ahead and respond back to them on an autoresponder. An autoresponder, all it is, it's a way of emailing your list. So when you get subscribers in the email list, they'll go to your autoresponder, and you can go ahead and use that platform to email your list and follow up with them in terms of their needs and concerns. Remember, locate the problem, have the solution. So you can do email marketing. Another platform is blogging. You can blog. You have a really good blog, a website where you basically have a blog on a daily basis or every other day basis, and it's basically information that can help people out in terms of growing their business, or once again, helping them with their mindset. It's anything that's targeted that you think it can grow them on an everyday basis. So there's a couple of platforms you can do: video, email, blogging. You can do those type of things as well. So that's the part 4. What you want to look for is following with your buyers, but choose the right platform that works for you. And once again, get the right training in terms of making sure you're doing it correctly, because there's a lot of good training out there as well. And with all of that, once you get the training, go ahead and click on the link below, because I do have an online business opportunity for you. So we will go over all 4 of the things we just went over in terms of like mindset, marketing, right systems, traffic and sources, and of course, follow up with your buyers and your leads. Click on the link below. This online business system that I'm really proud of definitely teaches you how to do that on a daily basis. And plus, you'll be part of my team, and we'll be able to take your business from 0 all the way up to the top. That is the plan. That is the plan, to work on that each and every day in your business, because I know you want the freedom lifestyle. Because I know that's why you're watching this channel right now. That's why you're watching this video, because you want something different from your life. You want to have that relaxed laptop, lifestyle for yourself and your family, and bigger legacy. And one of the main reasons you can do that with affiliate marketing, because you can leverage off your time and get your time back by getting the education to help somebody else out. And that's what it's all about. That's what all about this online business opportunity is about. So when you click on the link below, you'll go ahead and get started. You can go and get signed up, and then we can go ahead and get started with all the type of training you need. If you're a newbie, this is perfect for you. Just click on the link, check it out, log in, go ahead and opt into the page, and you can go ahead and sign up. I can't wait to see you on the next video, and don't worry about it. Don't worry, go ahead and click on the link below, and I'll see you in the next video. I can't wait.